Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. I have a special fun project for you guys to do, but first we have to read about it. So here we go. We are going to read The Bald Eagle, Patriotic Symbols, The Bald Eagle. Okay, let's read about that. Patriotic Symbols, The Bald Eagle by Nancy Harris. Here is the table of contents that tells us different things that will be in the book and the page number that they are on. So if we wanted to go learn something specific, then we could just go to that page number, okay? But we are going to read the entire book, so we do not need the table of contents, okay? Okay. What is, oh, Mrs. Hensley, you can't see the whole book. What is a symbol? The bald eagle seal is a symbol. A symbol is a type of sign. A symbol shows you something. A symbol can have words. Okay, so these are all. We know the United States flag is a symbol, right? We know that now the Liberty Bell is a United States symbol. The Statue of Liberty is a United States symbol. And we haven't learned about the White House, but the White House is where the president lives. And it is also a symbol of the United States, okay? The bald eagle seal. The bald eagle seal is a special symbol, and it is on the $1 coin. We don't see a lot of the $1 coins, but it is the symbol, the bald eagle seal is on a $1 coin. It is a symbol of the United States of America. The United States of America is a country. This right here is our country, which also includes Alaska and Hawaii down here. Okay, so, and we live right here in Oklahoma. Okay, okay. The bald eagle is a patriotic symbol. It shows the beliefs of the United States. The bald eagle flying is a symbol of freedom. Words. The bald eagle seal has special words on it. Right here. The words mean out of many, one. So out of many, okay, one. Colonies. The word many is a symbol of the 13 colonies. A colony is a place ruled by another country. People move to the colonies from other countries. So this talks about colonies here. These people fought to create a free country. The word one is a symbol of the free country. The country is the United States of America. So we live in a free country. Olive branch. The bald eagle holds an olive branch. Here is the olive branch right here. The olive branch is a symbol of peace. 13 arrows. The bald eagle holds 13 arrows. Right here, you guys see that? 13 arrows right there. The arrows are a symbol of the 13 states. These right here were the first 13 states. They became states before the other states became states in the United States of America. And that would be New Hampshire, Massachusetts, New York, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. What it tells you. The bald eagle seal honors the beginning of the United States. The seal is a symbol of a free country. Bald eagle facts. Bald eagles have a wingspan that is 6 to 7 feet wide. Look at this right here. Okay, their wingspan from that wing to that wing. 6 to 7 feet wide. Okay, here to here. That's a lot, isn't it? Bald eagles only live in North America. Okay, timeline. 1700, 1750, 1782, and 1800. The bald eagle seal was made in 1782. That's a long, long time ago, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Picture glossary. Country. An area of land that is ruled by the same leader. And we are the United States of America. And who are we ruled by? Does anybody know? Who lives in the White House again? The president. Okay, now it's President Biden. Patriotic. Believing in your country. So if you're patriotic, that means you believe in your country. Seal, a stamp that stands for something. Symbol, something that stands for something else. Symbols can stand for feelings, places, or objects. The end. And it says, note to parents and teachers. The study of patriotic symbols introduces young readers to our country's government and history. Books in this series began by defining a symbol before focusing on the history and significance of a specific patriotic symbol. Okay, so we've read a lot, we've read some other patriotic symbol books, but this one's over the bald eagle. So far we have learned the United States flag, or the American flag. We've learned the Statue of Liberty. We've learned the Liberty Bell. We've learned the bald eagle, and I just touched on a little bit of the White House, okay? If you can think of another one, that's great, but I think that might be the ones we learned, and I could have missed one. You never know what Mrs. Hensley has. You never know. I might have missed one and you thought of one. Okay, so you are going to finish watching, after you're finished watching this video, you're going to watch Mrs. Hensley make something. So you get to make something too. What do you think you're going to make? A bald eagle. You get to make your own bald eagle, and I can't wait to see what yours looks like. So after you watch this video, then you go to the next video and get to receive your directions on how to make your bald eagle. Okay, I hope you guys have a rest of a marvelous Monday, and I will talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye.